When you want to buy, sell, or trade cryptocurrencies, you need a crypto wallet. Traders need them to store crypto safely and to protect and verify information about transactions. Hardware or software, also called hot storage and cold storage, are the two types of custom crypto wallets. Traders can use them instead of crypto exchanges to get more customized solution. Watching this video to learn about the different kinds of cryptocurrency wallets, how they work, and which one you should choose. Some people who look for cryptocurrency wallets are also looking for a cryptocurrency exchange. That's why we've included public. Number 1. Coinbase. You can see pros and cons about Coinbase on screen, and we chose Coinbase Wallet as the best cryptocurrency wallet for beginners because it's easy to use, safe, and backed by a well-known exchange. Coinbase Wallet is a great wallet for people who are just starting out with crypto and don't know much about it. The app can connect to most major bank accounts and is friendly and easy to use, with a simple 3-tab layout and functions that are easy to spot. Coinbase Wallet is the only hot wallet on this list that can store non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and digital collectibles. It also supports more than 500 crypto assets, which is the most of any hot wallet on this list. It's important to separate the Coinbase exchange from the Coinbase Wallet. You can use the Coinbase Wallet without signing up for an account with one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges. It's also non-custodial, which means its private key is stored on your device and not on Coinbase servers. This means you don't have to worry about your currencies being locked for any reason or being exposed to a cyber attack on the website. Some other highlights are: biometric authentication is done with the secure enclave chip found in Android, iOS, iPad, and Mac devices like Face ID, Touch ID. Access to decentralized exchanges in the app, where tokens can be changed without a middleman. You can back up your digital keys in the cloud if you want to. Number 2. Electrum. You can see pros and cons about Electrum on screen, and we chose Electrum as the best Bitcoin wallet because it has a lot of security features and can be changed in a lot of ways. Electrum has been around since 2011 and is one of the oldest and most well-known crypto wallets on the market today. It's also one of the few crypto wallets that only deal in Bitcoin, a currency that Electrum is uniquely set up to support. The wallet has a number of strong security features that others don't have. Users can also change their fees based on how long they are willing to wait for a transaction to be completed. If you pay more in fees, your transaction will happen more quickly. One of the best things about the wallet is that it uses a small client. Light clients are easy to set up and take up less space on your computer than traditional wallet clients. By using simple payment verification, SPV, the wallet only downloads parts of the blockchain. This speeds up transactions without compromising security. Some other highlights are: the code for an open source wallet can be looked at, which helps build trust and safety. Custom transaction fees, which means that users can change their fees based on how long they are willing to wait for a transaction to be completed, and several types of user accounts. Integration with hardware wallets like KeepKey, Ledger, and Trezor for cold storage. Two-factor authentication and support for more than one signature. Number 3. Mycelium. You can see pros and cons about Mycelium on screen, and why we chose it. Mycelium is the best crypto wallet for mobile devices because it puts a lot of emphasis on security and gives you a lot of information about your transactions. Mycelium is another well-known cryptocurrency wallet that puts a lot of emphasis on Bitcoin. It has been a mobile-only software wallet since it came out in 2008. It is still one of the best options for both Android and iOS users. The wallet's security and ability to make transactions are two of its best features. The app is fully reproducible, which means that its code can be copied and compared to the original to find any possible security flaws. It also has several levels of PIN protection. The wallet app lets you set your own transaction fees and has several types of user accounts and 4 recommended levels: low priority, normal, economic, and priority. Some other highlights are: an advanced transaction history that includes information like block height, which is a specific location in the blockchain, miner fees, which are payments made to miners in the blockchain network, and inputs/outputs, which show the addresses involved in a transaction. Interoperability between wallets through the FIO network, which is made up of the top crypto wallets, exchanges, and payment processors. A watch-only mode that lets users stop transactions from going out but still keep track of their stocks and trades. Number 4. Ledger. You can see pros and cons about Ledger on screen, and why we chose it. Ledger Nano X is the best offline cryptocurrency wallet because it supports a lot of different currencies, has high security standards, and lets you trade on your phone. Ledger is one of the best-known hardware wallet brands on the market today. It became popular at first because of its first wallet, the Ledger Nano S, which was a very secure cold wallet with a lot of features. The Ledger Nano X builds on the success of the Nano S by adding an internal battery, Bluetooth connectivity, and more asset management features. The Ledger Nano X costs $119, has a matte black finish, and has a screen with 128 by 64 pixels that lets you switch between apps. The wallet can hold more than 1,800 coins and tokens, which is the most on our list, and up to 100 of them can be managed at the same time through apps on the device. Its Bluetooth Low Energy connection can be turned off at any time, and the Nano X can be used with the Ledger Live app on Android or iOS devices to exchange crypto on the go. Some other highlights are: the Secure Element chip in Ledger is a special chip that is also used in high-end security solutions like credit cards and passports. It protects against different types of attacks. The Ledger Live app can be used to buy and sell cryptocurrency as well as lend and stake cryptocurrency to make money. Number 5. Exodus. You can see pros and cons about Exodus on screen, and we chose Exodus as the best crypto wallet for desktops because its transactions are fast, it's easy to use, and its client has a lot of different features. Exodus is one of the wallets that looks the best and is the easiest to use. Exodus used to only work on desktops, but now it has apps for iOS and Android and works with Trezor wallets, which are popular hardware wallets. Still, the desktop wallet app is the most important part of the wallet, and it gets updated every 2 weeks. One of the best things about Exodus is that it works with a lot of different currencies. The wallet can hold more than 145 different types of cryptocurrency, which is more than many other hot wallets. This includes popular meme coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, as well as well-known altcoins like Ether, Litecoin, XRP, and Bitcoin Cash. Some other highlights are fees that can be changed, but as of September 2021, only for Bitcoin transactions. More and more apps are coming out to expand the wallet's capabilities. These apps include ones for live charts, crypto staking, and crypto deposits. Runs on a light client, which means it uses SPV and doesn't download full blockchains to make transactions go faster. Blockchain technology has made transactions with digital currencies more useful, practical, and easy to do. But as the number of people who use cryptocurrencies has grown, so has the number of times they have been stolen online. That's why it's more important than ever to have a safe crypto wallet, whether it's online or in the real world. Well, these are the best crypto wallets as of now. If you want to know more wallets, just let me know in the comments section. That's it for today, guys. See you in next one.